In this video, we're unboxing and installing lower control arms on this 2015 Ford Escape Global C or C1 C520. A pair of rear lower control arm display. Tools required for the lower control arm removal and installation. Heavy-duty electric impact wrench. 12mm wrench. T60 Torx bit, 19mm deep socket, 15mm deep socket, heavy-duty torque wrench, beam torque wrench, pry bar. Use a 19mm deep socket. Loosen the wheel lug nuts. Raise the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket. Remove the wheel lug nuts with an impact wrench. Remove the wheel. Use a 15mm deep socket. Remove the lower control arm mounting bolt with an impact wrench. Remove the bolt. Disconnect the lower control arm from the knuckle. Use a T60 Torx bit with a 12mm wrench. Remove the lower control arm to knuckle bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the lower control arm. New lower control arm display. Install the new lower control arm. Insert the bolt. Install the lower control arm to knuckle connection. Insert the bolt. Use a 15mm deep socket with an impact wrench. Tighten the lower control arm to knuckle bolt. Use a 15mm deep socket with a torque wrench. Torque the lower control arm to knuckle bolt. Torque specification 90 Newton meters or 66 foot-pounds. Use a T60 Torx socket with a 12mm wrench. Tighten the lower control arm to subframe bolt. Insert the bolt. Install the wheel. Install the wheel lug nuts. Use a 19mm deep socket. Tighten the lug nuts with an impact wrench. Lower the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with a torque wrench. Torque the wheel lug nuts. Torque specification 120 Newton meters or 89 foot-pounds.